morning, guys. My name is Anish. I'm a host. Day by day, our life is becoming more busy and more digital in our work. So, why we're wasting our precious time on tailoring? You have to go to tailor, tell him the design which you want, tell him the size which you want, and if the size is wrong, you have to again go to the tailor, and then he will take your size again. So why don't you bring the tailoring on your mobile? There are many websites on which you can order the online clothing and buy online suits. But there is a website which is known as Eras Fashion, which is the website of customized tailoring. Yes, you can go through this website and you can order the design which you want, the size of your body. You can tell him, and the tailoring will be done in 7 days, and it will be received at your home. The websites give you the best clothes with best designs and with best quality of the clothes. Yes, let's go through this website and take all the details, and it's your decision to book from this website or not. But according to me, this is the best website of customized tailoring. So let's open our Google and search arasfashion.com. It's on the top. It's on top. Yeah, it's in. The website has crossed 200, more than 200 people in USA. That's excellent in the month of October. Okay. Yeah. Here is the option of chat. We can also directly chat with a computer or something. Okay, I'm searching for a two-piece suit. Let's check out it will be helpful or not. I think it's not helpful. We should go back. No. Okay, now select the suit which we want to customize, or the shirt. All the details are given on the website. Design or style, you can see, as here it is given design or style. You can see the video and get to know how to design your own suit or any shirt. Reseller login, if there is any reseller, you can also log in there. It also contains the reviews of the earlier customers. Okay. Best treat ever. I will order more clothes. Okay. Here are blogs which are written by the website. 24/7 available. Okay, that's nice. Then email also, and all the details of the users are given here. That's very great. We are having all. The website is trustable as all the details are here, as well as the mobile number. None of the website provides mobile number, but this website give you the mobile number of the user, owner of the website. Now select the suit which we want to customize. Now we will select so, black one. I think it's nice. Yeah, we will select this one. Now here are varieties of clothes. You can see the clothes which we want to select. We can select any one of the select. We can select any one of them. Okay, variety. Now let's go zoom in. Let's select this one. This fabric is not available. Okay. this cloth is not available in this suit, so we will select another one. This is also not available. White one, no, it is also not unable. Limited, this one is available. Okay, from back side the suit will be look like this. Now let's select the style of this suit, which is from which style you want to select. There are varieties of style also, you can see. Now let's select the you can see, as you can see the varieties of clothes, it is the cloth which is inside the suit. Okay, getting my point. Okay, you can also select the buttons of the suit. It's unbelievable, very nice. And you can zoom in like this. Great. Now let's go next. Now let's click on next, and the size of your body. You can give your side according to your bo- your need, or you can also select from directly from here small, medium, large, XL, any size. You can see now it will